Bluetooth control activity. In this activity, we will learn how to connect Bluetooth module like HC-05 or HC-06 to our trainer kit. This allows our microcontroller to communicate wirelessly with a smartphone, tablet or laptop. It's one of the easiest way to bring wireless control and monitoring into your projects. So, to understand how Bluetooth enables wireless communication between the microcontroller and a mobile app or terminal and to control devices remotely. So, we need for this activity the Bluetooth module HC-05, the microcontroller on the trainer kit, a smartphone with Bluetooth terminal app and wires for interfacing. The working principle of this activity is the Bluetooth module works on wireless serial bridge. The smartphone sends command over Bluetooth. The Bluetooth module passes to the microcontroller through UART, TX and RX pins. The microcontroller interprets the commands and performs actions like turning on an LED, controlling a motor or sending back to sensor data. It's just like texting your project and it obeys instantly. So we will see in this activity how it works. The app, which is serial Bluetooth controller app. When I open the app, here is given connect the Bluetooth from here, the HC-05. When connected, it shows on the screen. Then after this, send a message. This message is look on the screen. So when I put some message on the screen, it will show on the LCD screen. Look at this. And with this, we have successfully completed all 12 activities on our educational trainer kit. From basic sensor interfacing to advanced modules like Bluetooth. This is a complete hands-on solution for learning Arduino and electronics in a practical way. Stay tuned for more innovative projects and tutorials. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for each more tech learning.